This is the Iron Trader. It is hump day, which means it is crude day. Now, the API numbers came out last night at 4:30, and they were pretty mixed. There was a small build in crude, but there was a pretty good draw in gasoline, and there was a good draw at Cushing. So the EIA numbers will be out here today at 10:30. So we're going to see how that all going to shake out and if it confirms it or not. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, you can see where the price obviously went right into the 200-day, pulled right on back here, went through the 8-day, but it held this key 100 SMA here. And then again, if you take a line and you look all the way across, you can see all the support levels that it was carrying. The bottom there, the top there, all the way through here, and the key 100 SMA here, okay? Now sitting at 73.67. Very, very good. Now, yesterday we had a nice big green candle here, okay? And then the price closed above the 8 SMA, always good. So now the price is back above. All right, so now we got to see here, we got two very key levels here that we have to watch here. Number one is going to be this 75.25. That is going to be your 8 SMA on the bottom. And then we have this 77.26, your 200 SMA. That's going to be very key resistance here. So we're like right in the middle here now, okay? So what we want to do here, so far today's high was 76.23. But if you look right across here, 76.09, 76.15, you're right in that resistance level, okay? So if you can get above, your target is going to be 77. 26. That's going to be a really, really nice target here. Now, on the downside, if this 8 SMA here is lost, then we look here to this 100 SMA here, and then, you know, we want to look, if that's lost, then we look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 72.98. We have 72.67, and then we look to the 21 SMA here at 72.32, and then your 50 SMA here sitting at 71.74. But as long as this 8-day can hold, that's going to be the key. Now we had one day there below it here, but it popped right on up here. Very, very good bullish sign here. So we got to see where that's all going to shake out today. Now here, if you look on a weekly chart here, you're holding this key support area that I always point out, this 21 SMA sitting at 73.83. That's very, very key support. And then obviously right below it is 72.33. That's your 8 SMA. What I like to see, though, is see how this 8 SMA rolls up. I really like to see that 8 SMA cross above that 21. Then you got a good shot here at this 50 SMA here, sitting at 78.81. But let's not get excited ahead of ourselves here. The key is going to be this 200 SMA. That's going to be very, very strong resistant level here, because you can see what it did right here. Boom, right into it. Boom, right into it. So if you can break above, then you got yourself a really, really nice breakout here. And then the next target definitely is going to be this 50 SMA here at 78.81. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, here we have natty gas, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, your price channels right now still very much intact here, and your bottom price channel is rising up. That's always very, very bullish there, okay? So your bottom is sitting at 2.44 and your top is sitting at 2.87. Now, your key levels are going to be here, is going to be this 8 SMA here, and it's going to be, see right there, is going to be 2.61. That's going to be your big resistance level. If you can get above, then we look here to that 21 at 2.64. Okay, so nothing has really, really changed there. Okay, so on your support levels here, if it falls down, watch this 50 SMA here. Now sitting at 2.46, and then right below it is 2.39. That is on your 100 SMA here. Okay, so if we look at this here, if it can get above that key 21 SMA there, then what we do is we just track these candles right on up here. You got 2.6, you got 2.75 here, you got 2.79, 2.82, and then your big retest there is sitting at 2.87. But you're right here in the middle between this 8 SMA here and this 21 SMA here. So we just got to see how this all going to shake out here. Now, when you look on the weekly chart here, your 8 SMA here, which is sitting at 2.53, is nicely above your 21, sitting at 2.4. That's always very good. If it rolls back below, then you know she's going to sell right on down here again. So what we need to do is just have it hold those two levels. And then obviously your big target is going to be this candle right here, sitting at 3.02. Big if, you can get close above this 2.87. So let's take a look here on a 1 hour and a 4 hour chart. Okay, here we have your hourly chart. Now you can see the lower highs all the way on down, but then it reversed here. See this right here, this candle right here. So you're sitting at 2.49, and then you had to retest here at 2.48. That was a really nice double bottom to let this thing go higher. Now what you need to do, it has to get above this 2.64 here. If it can, then we just start tacking these levels again all the way back up to that 2.75. So what we want to do, watch though, first is this 200 SMA here on the upside. That's going to be key. That's at 2.61, and then your 21 is this like right below that, sitting at 2.61. So they're right above it. I mean, that's very, very close there. It needs to get above. See how this went sideways here? It just needs to get above and to retest this and break out if it's going to go higher. If not, you got good support levels here. So you want to watch the 2.57, and then you're also your 100-day, which is stuck right there. Okay, on your 4 hour chart here, you had a nice run up here, but then your series of lower highs. Now, you're still, even though you look on the daily, on the 1 hour chart here, when you look at the 4, it gives you a little bit bigger picture where you still have lower highs all the way on down, even though you had a nice little run up here on the hourly chart. So really nothing has changed. You really need to get above that price channel there, sitting at 2.64 to go to the next level. Once we get above this level here, okay, then we can start hitting all these levels here and maybe even a retest there at 2.87. Okay, I'll have more for you on crude and natural gas probably earlier today, right around the 2 o'clock level. And just remember, the EIA report is at 10:30 this morning. All right, thanks for watching.